How to fix PUBG stuck on the loading screen. So the first thing that you need to try is to close out of Steam and PUBG completely. So let's exit Steam, and if needed you can go to the task manager and delete it from there if you see Steam or PUBG in the background. Now press the Windows key and R at the same time, and you should open up this run tab right here. Type in %local app data % and click OK. From here find the letter T and click TSL game right here. Go to saved, configuration, Windows no editor, and delete both of these game user settings files. Now from here you can either go to Steam, launch the Steam as administrator, and then launch PUBG, or you can launch PUBG directly. If that doesn't work, you should verify your game files, if any corrupted updates occurred, or if your original download is corrupted. So go to properties right here, installed files, and click verify integrity of game files. Since it is a very hefty game, about 70 gigabytes, you should be able to launch your game. Now if none of these work, I advise you to update your graphics card drivers. So how you're gonna do that is you're gonna type in. So here click on the second link, and if you want to manually search for the driver, you can do that here, but I advise you to click download now to download this automatic driver update. And that's how to get unstuck from the PUBG loading screen. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.